Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fluent Ears. This is the podcast that helps you speak English naturally and confidently. Have you ever wondered, why am I not fluent in English yet? You study hard. You watch videos. You read books. But when it's time to speak, you freeze. You forget words. You hesitate. It's frustrating, right? Don't worry. You are not alone. Many learners feel the same way. But today, we will fix this problem. In this episode, we'll talk about 5 mistakes that slow down fluency, simple ways to fix them, exercises to help you improve. So, stay with me till the end. Grab your notebook. Let's fix your fluency once and for all. Let me tell you a story. Meet John. John has been learning English for 3 years. But every time he speaks, he feels slow. Why? Because he translates everything in his head. Before he speaks, he thinks, how do I say this in English? This takes too much time. And when he finally speaks, his sentence sounds unnatural. Why is translation a problem? It slows you down. It causes mistakes. It makes you feel nervous. The solution? Stop translating. Think in English. How? Try these simple exercises. Look around you. Name things in English. This is a table. I see a blue car. Describe your actions. Say what you are doing. I am drinking tea. I am reading a book. Have small conversations in your head. What should I eat today? What will I do tomorrow? The more you train your brain, the easier it gets. Have you ever stopped speaking because you were scared of making a mistake? You think, what if I say the wrong tense? What if my grammar is bad? Let me tell you a secret. Even native speakers make mistakes. Have you heard people say, me and my friend went there? That's actually incorrect. The correct sentence is, my friend and I went there. But do people still understand? Yes. The problem with focusing too much on grammar? It creates fear. It slows you down. It makes English boring. The solution? Focus on communication first. How? Listen to native speakers. Copy their sentence patterns. Start with simple grammar. Don't try to be perfect. I eat breakfast. Present. Yesterday, I watched a movie. Past. Speak first. Correct later. Fluency comes from speaking, not from perfect grammar. Imagine this. You want to learn swimming. You watch videos. You read books about swimming. But you never jump into the water. Will you learn? No. The same happens with English. You watch videos. You read books. You listen to podcasts. But you never open your mouth and speak. Why is this a problem? Reading and listening are good, but they don't improve speaking. Speaking is a muscle. You need to train it. The solution? Speak every day. How? Shadowing technique. Listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately. Self-talk. Speak about your day. Record yourself. Speak for 1 minute. Listen and improve. Even 5 minutes a day can change everything. Imagine you want to be healthy, but you only do one exercise. Only push-ups. Only running. Will your whole body get strong? No. The same happens with English. Many learners only watch videos, or only read books, or only study grammar, but fluency needs balance. The solution? Use multiple methods. Listen, podcasts, movies, songs, speak, conversations, voice recordings, read, books, articles, blogs, write, journals, messages, emails. Fluency is like building a house. You need all materials, not just one. Meet Aisha. Aisha starts learning English. She studies every day for a week. Then she takes a break. 1 week later, she forgets everything. This is the problem with inconsistency. Language is like a muscle. If you don't use it, you lose it. The solution? Make English a habit. Practice 15 minutes every day. Find fun ways to learn, songs, games, books. Track your progress. Use a journal or an app. Small steps every day equals big result. Let's review. Stop translating. Think in English. Don't worry about grammar. Just speak. Practice speaking every day. Use multiple learning methods. Be consistent. Never stop. You can become fluent. It's not magic. It's practice, every single day. Start today. Speak today. You will improve. If this podcast helped you, share it with a friend. See you in the next episode of Fluenty.